your girl Shalone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button for me please, stonks, yes. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Now, one of the questions I get asked all the time is like, Shalone, where do you buy all these stuff? Where do you find all these deals? And to make this video short, all you need to do, whatever site you're going on, just check the sales section. Like, that's it guys, that's the trick. But like legit though guys, like every time I get a deal and I'm like, oh, I pay $10 for this, I pay $5 for this, realistically it's very hard to find stuff, like good quality stuff for that price. So what I do, I just shop in the sales section. Like if I'm looking for something specific, you know, then I'll go look for that something specific. But if I'm just shopping because okay, I need some stuff and I'm not like fussy in terms of what exactly I'm looking for, I'm just looking for something nice, the first place I check is the sale section on any site, whether it be Forever 21, Charlotte Russe, like every site. So I check the sale section first, and if I find stuff that I like, you know, and you know it's like at the cap at the amount that I want to spend, I just call it a day. Like what's the sense of going through like the entire site for if I know my cheap ass not go willing to spend etc on the rest of the stuff on the site. So if I look to the sales section and find what I'm looking for, I just call it a day and just check out. But besides the sales section, sites that I typically shop on are Forever 21. Forever 21 you can find cute clothing on Forever 21. I used to shop on Agassi, but I haven't shopped on it in like over a year, and that's partly because I kind of don't like the style. It's like sometimes I like what they have, sometimes I don't, you know. Like what I realize with Agassi sometimes is like they'll have a lot of the same stuff and it's just not for me. Anyways, another site I like to shop on, I shop on H&M. H&M can be a little bit pricey, but they really have some great stuff, like good quality stuff on there. I might do a try on haul, because I got some stuff from H&M recently. Other cheap places that I shop on, AliExpress. I swear you guys sleeping on AliExpress, you know, but if you find like a good vendor, trust me, like you can find some really cute pieces on AliExpress. And especially those Instagram stores, you see them sell a bunch of bikinis and stuff. Like AliExpress is where the bikinis are at, okay guys? So don't waste your money on some of those Instagram stores, because a lot of the times they buy it from Alibaba, or sometimes probably buy it straight from AliExpress. And of course Alibaba, AliExpress, same company, same, yeah, pretty much. So that's pretty much where I get my cheap clothing from. Other places, I typically get really affordable shoes from Charlotte Russe. Sometimes I'll find some really great deals on Amazon. There are other websites out there that I'm sure are great and affordable, but I'm just letting you know where I personally shop from, because even this top I got on Forever 21. I think I probably got it for less than $10. My skirt that I'm wearing, I probably got it like for $10, and yeah, so I pretty much do most of my shopping on Forever 21. Just to recap, Forever 21, Charlotte Russe, H&M, Agassi store, that's what they're called now, Agassi store. Always been called that, Shalone. Agassi store, and AliExpress and Amazon. So those are pretty much the stores that I shop from. If I'm forgetting anywhere, I will let you guys know. But in terms of clothes and accessories, that's where I typically shop. And don't forget guys that check out like coupon websites like Retail Me Not, and what other one name again? Retail Me Not, another one. But yeah, Ebates, always check Ebates and Retail Me Not and stuff like that for coupons before you check out, because sometimes they be having sales and sometimes they also have coupons. So why not get the double save, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, the sale already cheap and you're already getting a good price, but if you can slash that down a bit by applying a coupon code, definitely go out there and get your coupon codes and save your coins, okay? Alright guys, so that's it. Quick video. I just wanted to come and share with you the stores I shop on. Again, if you made it this far in the video, just subscribe. subscribe the man. Cha. And more importantly, if you know your friend, a sister, a brother who, you know, always looking for some nice stuff and they don't know where to shop at, send them the video. Sharing is caring. Alright, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see y'all later. Bye. Mwah.